Yep. Hello, good day. My name is Mizemi Kasali. A good way to activate and a fast way to activate your um Tradeversity account is to come in after registration. So you come in and you check for the package you want. Note we have three packages. This one is for the silver. IBO is $50 package and you are limited to some things. While we have the one between, which is the gold package, where you have all things for just $100. And then also you have a free package which contains almost nothing, but at least you can get started by trying what is in the app. So you can continue with the dashboard here. But to make payments, okay, to make payments for any of these package, which we always prefer you go for the gold package because that is where you can clone with a trader. If you want to go for silver package, that simply means you might not be able to clone with a trader. You see, clone or copy trade is not there, it's not selected, but you can refer people and earn binary commission of 7%. And you can trade also, you can buy an account, you understand, and there are some other things that you can do. You can do your online course, that means free online trading, and you can do master trading, whereby you get certified, you understand. Then you can also invest in the projects, whereby that means you pay money into the company's vault, and you expect a daily ROI. So with that, but with gold, you can trade. That means the system will help you trade while your money is in your account. That means your money is with your broker, your own broker account. But the trader is been linked to your with your account, and you start trading. So that costs $100. To do that, the simplest way to do that is to either by using Tron, okay, USDT Tron. That means USDT, then you go and check Tron. Or you just use USDT BEP20, which is also BSC, that means Binance Smart Chain. So I always prefer the I always prefer this, because with this, I don't want you to get confused of I think we have Ton and we also have Tron. So that you don't get confused. So I'll prefer you just use BEP20. So when you click buy on BEP20, it says, are you sure you want to buy gold? Yes. Okay, it's booting. It will give you an account where you make the payment to. Then you make the payment, the wallet address you have to make the payment to. Then you make the payment and you get activated. So you just copy this wallet address, just copy it. Then you have to make this payments. See, the amount to send is 101.99. So I'll just advise you send 102. Let it take whatever he wants to take inside 102, so that there will not be story for the gods. Where do I get $1 extra and so on? So just send 102 and that's all. So you copy and you send to this wallet address and that's all. So like I said, this wallet address is for USDT BSC, that is Binance Smart Chain. Okay, and it might also be, you might also send it for, it's also written as BEP20. So anyone, just send it to it and you get activated as soon as possible. Thank you very much.